Throughout the year, Southampton-based West System International holds courses for both amateur and professional users of West System epoxy products. Delegates fly in from all over Europe to tap into the team's expertise. We asked instructor Hamish Cook what the basic course, aimed at the first-time user, actually involves.
Our West System workshops that we run, they're intended to give the general public a good overview of our West System products. We cover all the basic techniques, so we look at bonding, coating, filleting, fairing and sheathing as well. You get to use products from the entire West System product range and hands-on experience. You'll be building a small toolbox which incorporates a lot of bonding and filleting using both our main West System 105 epoxy resin with the various hardeners and fillers. We also look at our specialist epoxies as well, such as G5, 610 and G-Flex that we cover later in the day. We cover a number of demonstrations from GRP repair to fairing to coating. We coat a panel up during the process of the day so that you get to see how building up coats and building up the thickness and the moisture barrier that you're creating with the epoxy, and looking at different techniques for tipping off after using a roller, brushes. And the whole idea of the day is for us to impart our knowledge onto the general public so that they learn confidence with using the products and they can use as much as they want during the day. We've got a whole warehouse full of the products here. If your pack runs out that you're using, we'll fill it up and you can carry on. Any products from the range that you want to specifically talk about, there's lots of questions and answers sections, and there's a good representation from our technical team here to give you as much backup and as much support and information that we can possibly give.
Well, the course was excellent. Excellent instructors, excellent material, liberal use of the material could be made. Really, it gives me the confidence to, contrary to what I've done before, just using material without any knowledge. Now I can do it with the knowledge, and it gives me so much confidence to start actually using it. But luckily I have a fairly new boat that doesn't need any repairs, but there are other applications that I certainly will use it for, yeah.
So I've had a great day today. I've got a Seamaster 30 on the Upper Thames, and I've come away today to learn a lot about epoxy. I've met some great guys on the course. They've given me a lot of advice and they've given me a lot of confidence. So I'm looking forward to going out on my boat the weekend, get mixing, get playing with all these little products that they've given us as part of the course, and I'm really looking forward to the challenges ahead.